Many of now we also do all these videos on social media. What to make you feel say Anioma State go be Southeast State? I just laugh at una. Say Anioma State go be Southeast State. Go back to history. Delta and Edo State, they were formerly the Midwestern states. So now, talking about Anioma State in a Midwestern region, you say me the carry Anioma State go for Southeast. Now you get Anioma State. We were get the where they the state. Now we go tell you we were the indigenous of Delta State. Now we go tell you say see where we want our states today. Argue, I'm a bona fide son of Utaguno in Ukwani, Ndukwa West Local Government Area of Delta State. Now we go tell you say see where we want our states today. This is our Anioma State where we fight for. You know they go Southeast. If you say we they lie, you don't hear from all our chiefs. If you go any chief ask now, carry your camera. You and all you now they work out camera, they disturb everywhere for social media. Go the chief house. I've always told you guys. Go and find out from the office man. Forget all those and Senator Net they do for social media. If we tell and say now here our state go day, we might sound very relevant. We're just dragging content. But we where they say we come from the states, where be Delta State, we know where our state go day. If I play you conversation on waiting Senator Ned no could they discuss with other people for Twitter, you go to say in the benefit where they fight for was not even for the interest of we the Anioma people, the Ukwani, the Kars, and the he was fighting for the people of the Southeast. So imagine say our state can't go, they can't create our state go Southeast. That means we Ndokwa people we cannot have a word in our a say in our own state. That is what he's trying to say. I'll play the conversation for you. Listen to the conversation.
So we don't need to divide those states. They are already there. Because when you divide those states, if you carve out one state from Southeast, the population of Southeast still remains the same. The landmass of Southeast still remains the same. The resources still remains the same. But by the time you come to Anioma, and by the way, because I've had meetings with Vanessa and the rest of them, they all support the creation of Anioma states. By the time you come to Anioma, there will be additional landmass, there will be additional population, there will be additional resources. And they know that we are very close to them. They're not pushing for anywhere from Ikwere. According to them, Ikwere people are not basically supporting or acknowledging their Igbo-ness. But we are. We fought with them during the Civil War. We have done many things with them. We are part of Ohanese. With one of the Chief Raf Wetwe was Ambassador Raf Wetwe, was the Ohanese president. We've had women leader. We've had others from Anioma who have been given those important positions in Ohanese. So the point is that we need to expand. Igbo need to expand. So this is part of the argument. But don't worry about that because I know that Anioma State is the most popular one now.
Until you don't hear the conversation now, until you don't see what's in the talk, you will be an Anioma person where they shall say, I be this one, I be Southeast. You where they shall say, be this one. Listen to the conversation where he talk. He they tell us say, he want make Southeast people expand. That means maybe they can't take our territory. Now they tell us, we no can't get say again. Until I hear the conversation. These people, they are always just looking for how to just expand and collect your territory from you. I beg.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that person said. I don't blame him. It's just their mentality. Person wants make his own Anioma to Southeast, make we dey coexist with our brothers, with people we have the same culture and tradition with. You dey talk say you want make you remain for South. He said that before that Edo State and Delta State are Midwest states. There be Midwest states, no be government now merge them together to become Midwest. When all of us dey for Bende State, are we the same people? So because of say Edo State and Delta State dey Midwest before, so we go come dey follow Edo people for Nyashi. They dey South, we go follow them remain for South. Are we the same people? Are we the same people? People wey no go fit get sense. Are we the same people? Do we speak the same language? Look at this newspaper here. Our fathers in Anioma, our ancestors, they want Anioma state creation. This newspaper is in year 1963. Midwestern Igbos wants to join Eastern region. They want to join Southeast. They want to join their brothers. And this grown up when no get common sense, even make it just reason, no say We and these people now, brother, this is where we are supposed to be. You go everywhere, they talk, say, our elders in Anioma, if you go and interview them, they will tell you that they want to remain in South, that they are not Southeast. During the Biafra war, are those chiefs not small children? Some they never even born them that time. Any person in Anioma, chief or elder, that is telling you we are not Igbo, so if we actualize Anioma, we will be in South. He is just afraid. Why is he afraid? Because that revenue where they collect, because say that they deny their Igbo identity, because that they claim South, that revenue no going to come again. Selfishness. Most of them, they fear Biafra issue, IPOB issue, make we not join Southeast. We know that we are brothers, but let's remain in South. Now why do they fear? Some of them go to fear if we actualize Anioma State now and we now go to Southeast as our zone, that the federal government will start treating us bad. They will start treating us the way they were treating us during the Biafra war. They will no longer see us as Nigerians. That is just the reason why these people are denying that they are not Igbos, and that is why they want to remain in South. He said that Ohanes and Igbo have an agenda to take over Anioma land. That Senator Nedwoko is working for Igbo interests. You all have listened to what Senator Nedwoko said, that the Igbo race need Anioma State to be part of them. Why? Because we are one people, we are brothers, and we identify as Igbos because we are Igbos. If you listen to that video where we know that Ohanes and Igbo meant no harm. Now this one will not get sense. Come, they talk say Southeast people, they want to take our land, they want to start ruling us. We will no longer have say in Southeast. Mumu. This is one of the propaganda that they spread, tell you that if you join Southeast, that they will marginalize you, that they will take over your land, that they will take over your resources, they will take over your throne. You will not have a say. The South where Okwan people dey today, they get say for there. Have Okwan ever produced governor in that Delta state? This Delta state where we Anioma people dey, we get say for there. You dey suffer, person won't liberate you. You still say no, say na suffer, you want to suffer because you don't get common sense. We are Igbos, and we will never allow this set of people to come and make us remain in South. He's even talking that that they want Anioma State, that they want Anioma State, we say where they want to belong. Now you write proposal, go give Senator Nedwoko for your house, say you want the Anioma State. We wrote the memorandum for Anioma State creation. Indian Socio-Cultural Organization. We told Senator that we want to bring back our brothers, Ibanke people and other Igbo speaking people in those states back to Anioma and be with their Ika brothers. Anioma State is overdue. Nobody from Anioma, nobody can make Anioma State to remain in South. Once we actualize Anioma State is a Southeast state. Ukwana people wake up. Ika people wake up. Anyone people wake up. Stop all this self-denial. Don't allow people like this that don't have sense to come and be telling you rubbish, spoiling your mind, making you to believe in something that does not exist. Nobody will marginalize us. Our Southeast brothers will never marginalize us. So if you can't actualize Anioma State, a person from our Anambra State, Enugu, Ebonyi State will come be our senator. Now then will come be our governor. Now then will come be our representative. Now then will come the rule us. Many of these people don't have common sense. That is what that boy is saying. That they will come and take over our land. It's all lies. We are Igbos. Anioma State is a Southeast state. I'm from Okwane. I'm an Igbo man. No be person will tell me where I dey. I speak Igbo language. I practice Igbo culture and tradition. My language is Igbo. Called Okwane. Igbo Bofu, and nobody can divide us. Ishewale.